Are you struggling with hair breakage, hair shedding, stunted hair growth? Let me show you how to prepare a potent hair cream that will work for you. It is going to do what it is supposed to do. So all you need is to watch this video to the end and give me a thumbs up. For this video, you need shea butter. Very important. So you need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of shea butter. But I'm using about 3 tablespoons of shea butter. This is because the next product I'm going to be using is a mixture of shea butter and sweet almond oil. So for this recipe, in case you don't have this, you can use a half cup of shea butter and a quarter cup of sweet almond oil. It will do the same thing. I use this because I didn't have the sweet almond oil. The next thing on the list is half cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then I now went in with a tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil. After that, I went in with 2 tablespoons of rosemary, dried rosemary. You can use the fresh one if that is what you have. Then the last but not the least is a cup of Chebe powder. So after adding the Chebe powder, I noticed that there is need for me to add more oil or grease. So I decided to go in with a tablespoon of shea butter. In order for us to achieve what we want and all the nutrients to be intact, we're going to use a double boiler method. So I put all the mixture in a pot of boiling water and I stirred. So you can see that everything has dissolved and this is what we get. So here I put off the fire. I'm going to wait for a while for it to cool down before I sieve it. So this is what I got after sieving it. I used 2 wig caps to sieve it. You can use socks if that is what you have. So I made sure I squeezed all the oil out. After this, I'm going to leave it in the freezer for 30 minutes. 30 minutes after, I brought it out from the freezer and I used my hand mixer to mix it into a very smooth and nice cream. So in case you don't have a hand mixer, you can put it in your fridge the way it was. It will still congeal. Then you can be using it as your hair cream. But if you have a hand mixer, then you can go ahead and whip it into this very beautiful cream. After that, I'm going to save it in the fridge and I'll be using it as my hair cream. So notice that I lost some steps. That was because I didn't know that I didn't click record. So filming is not easy. I was busy doing a lot of things, not knowing that I did not click on record. So here I am done mixing. I'm going to transfer it into a container. So this is going to serve as my hair cream bottle. You can see how nice and beautiful it is. So instead of using the Chebe powder like that, I believe that this is one way you can use the Chebe powder. Women from Chad has been using Chebe powder to grow their hair massively, and it is one ingredient that is known to help in length retention. If you want to retain length, then Chebe powder is one way you can retain your hair length. So here I have just finished washing my hair. My hair is very clean. So I'm just going to apply my newly made hair cream on my hair. This hair cream is the most potent hair cream you can make for your 40 hair. All the ingredients are very, very important. The Chebe powder strengthens hair. It helps to reduce breakage and it retains length by deeply moisturizing and preventing dryness. Then the shea butter locks in moisture, softens the hair, reduces frizz, and protects against environmental damage. The rosemary stimulates scalp circulation, promotes hair growth, and helps prevent dandruff. The sweet almond oil, which is lightweight and non-greasy, nourishes and strengthens the hair while improving elasticity. The olive oil deeply hydrates the hair, It reduces breakage and enhances shine by penetrating the hair shafts. The Jamaican black castor oil thickens the hair, promotes growth, and strengthens the edges while sealing in moisture. So please do not sleep on this hair cream. It is something you can do. Look at how shiny my hair is. My hair is feeling very soft and bouncy. And it is always good to apply products like this on your hair in sections. Some people just rub the thing all over the hair at once. Yeah, it's not really bad doing that. If you want to get the benefit, you want the product to touch each strand of your hair, you have to apply it in sections like this. Do not always be in a hurry. My video seems fast because I sped it up. I was not as fast as it seems. So whenever you're working on your hair, always relax, take your time, and make sure you do not break your hair. So it is always important to twist your hair like this, or you braid it, or you do something after washing your hair. Do not leave it like that so that it won't break. So you can see how shiny this part is. The hair is very soft and moisturized. And feel free to reapply the product to the ends of your hair, to the tips. Yeah, if you feel the product is not enough, you can reapply it on the tips, because that is the most important part of the hair, or should I say the most fragile part of the hair. It is the oldest. Now look at the tips. It was beginning to dry out already. So to lock in moisture, look at what I'm doing here. So I just wrap the tip of the hair and lock it. So that is how to lock in moisture into the tip of your hair. That way it will stay moisturized longer. And I'm going to be repeating this process after 3 days. I used lots of products today. 3 days later, I'm going to use just a little bit of product. I'll spray a little water, then I'll apply it again. So I'll be applying it like this for 3 days until my next wash day. I'll be styling my hair. It's like I'll be getting braids. I've not braided my hair for some time, so it doesn't matter. I'll keep applying it. So this is it. I'll carry the hair like this until when I'm ready to go braid it. So guys, remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if this is your first time. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.